And that's what our next category of awards is all about. And that's the social entrepreneurs. Business can be good. And this next gentleman, and it's just so strange that, Congressman Kennedy knows Alex Gorsky. Alex Gorsky has been a friend of mine for many, many years, and I don't know how many of you in this room know Alex Gorsky, the chairman of Johnson & Johnson, but to put it in perspective, Reader's Digest a few months ago just acknowledged him as the top 100 individuals in the United States that can be trusted. That's a pharmaceutical executive. I have known Alex for nearly 2 decades. And this is an individual who understands the value of giving back, who understands the value of respect for everyone. Just because you're poor does not mean you don't have a right to the same basic needs and having those needs addressed in the same way that you and I have them addressed. And Alex has lived this concept in everything he has done. Here he is chairman of one of the largest healthcare organizations, and he is taking it upon himself. He has embraced exactly what Congressman Kennedy has said. We must address this issue with mental health. And he's not only spoken those words, he has moved the needle in terms of committing his time and resources to forge a coalition among employers. That is what social entrepreneurship is all about. Alex sends his regrets this evening. I can tell you that I had the opportunity to meet with him for lunch a few months back. And when I had presented him with the notification that he was receiving this award, I could tell you that here is an individual who I am sure receives many awards. And Alex got off his chair, you know what his office is like, got off his chair and gave me an enormous hug and said, thank you. And it was very interesting because he repeated what Wycliffe just said, that no amount of awards gives him satisfaction versus his understanding that he's saving lives. And so Alex is not here this evening, but let's give him a warm applause.